In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Webflow tab name. First, you'll want to log in to your Webflow account. If you're not familiar with Webflow, it's an intuitive web design tool that allows you to build responsive websites visually. And changing the tab name can be an important part of ensuring the site reflects its current purpose. So, once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see a section titled Pages. This is where all your site's pages are organized. This section allows you to manage and edit any page within your Webflow project effortlessly. Now, from the list of pages displayed, select the specific page whose tab name you want to change. This is a crucial step because you need to ensure you're editing the correct page to reflect the desired tab name properly. Once you've selected the correct page, go ahead and click on the gear icon. This icon represents the settings for that particular page. In Webflow, settings options are often packed into these kinds of icon-based shortcuts, so it's good to get accustomed to recognizing them. By clicking the gear icon, you're opening up detailed settings that allow you to tweak various aspects of your page. After accessing the settings, you're going to be on the lookout for a section dedicated to SEO. This section might be labeled SEO, Google, or something similar like Meta Settings. Within this section, you'll find various fields that influence how search engines see and display your page. But today, you're focusing on altering the tab name. Now, the next step involves locating the input field specified as Page Title or Meta Title. This is where you can type in the new name you want to appear on the Web Browser tab. Enter the desired text that you want visitors to see when your pages open in their browser. Keep in mind, this title should be clear and reflect the content of your page to maintain a professional look. With the desired changes entered, be sure to click the Save or Done button within the page settings. This action ensures that your changes are not lost, but instead stored within the project's settings. Lastly, you'll need to publish these changes to make them live. You can do this by clicking the Publish button located at the top right of the Webflow Designer interface. And voila, with these simple steps, your page's tab name will be updated and live for anyone who visits your site. This change is essential for both aesthetics and searchability, providing a seamless user experience. Remember, keeping your tab names clear and updated helps in better indexing by search engines and also creates a more intuitive navigation pathway for your visitors. This concludes today's lesson on changing a Webflow tab name.